I hit the burnout wall hard. I got really demoralized in my approach since someone else practically made what I was working on obsolete. I don't use Zig like them. I'm using C, which means it's very manual but configurable. I'm hoping watching others code will spur me on to just take a breath and continue. Yeah, oh man, I've talked about this ad nauseum before, but like, I'm gonna say this nicely, and I think you're gonna understand where I'm coming from. I'm talking to that part of your brain that wants to give up, and not you as a human being right now. Who cares? Ask yourself, like, who, like, okay, someone else did it. Like, okay, who cares? I've hit a lot of milestones in my life. I was able to bench 2 plates, but plenty of other people have benched 225 pounds. So who cares? Like, no, you can't think like that. I ran a mile in 10 minutes. It's not that fast. People run it faster, but who cares? I did that. I'm only concerned with what I do. So sometimes it's useful. People spend so much time learning how to be selfless. I think they forget how to be selfish when it matters. You got to do it for you. Yeah, do it for you. Yeah, exactly. Like, just do it. And who cares what language it's in? Like, they're using the hot new thing and you're using the language that have been around for over 50 years and it's going to outlive us all. Like, I would much prefer the C one. So yeah, no, other people have written parallel SSH executors before. Didn't stop me. So yeah, hopefully you find that spark, but that's something you got to find in yourself. I've got a lot of justifications for why I must continue, but life kicks my ass constantly. Full-time career for my nun with vascular dementia. Thanks for the advice. Very kind to you. Yeah, I mean, that's rough. Like, life throws people things that are hard and unpredictable, and truly, life throws things that are unfair. Like, I'm not going to sit here and tell you, like, oh no, like, be thankful for, all the time you have, like, with her and stuff. You know that. You already know that. Of course you're thankful for all that stuff. And it's also unfair, some of the things you have to deal with in life. Both those things are true. So it sucks, and there's nothing I'm going to say that's going to make that better. All I can say is, like, don't stop what you're doing because someone else has already done it. Like, people are so afraid to reinvent the wheel, but what if you want to learn how the wheel works? Like, reinvent it then. It's okay. Do it because it's fun to learn things and be creative. That's my advice.